Infor Factory Track for CSI, Visual Serial Assignment. To start the visual serial assignment process, from the Factory Track Shop Floor's Work Center navigation homepage, click on the Material Category Group menu. Then click on the Visual Serial Assignment icon. Note that the order of the features within the Material menu is configurable. To assign serialized component material to a serialized end item, use the Visual Serial Assignment form. Enter or select from drop-down the Work Center ID to filter the list of jobs to those associated with that work center. Optionally leave this field blank to display all jobs. From the jobs list, select a job ID to which to assign material. A list of the end items included in the job is displayed. This information is displayed for each end item: the item number, the item description, and the pre-assigned serial number. Whether the serial number is needed or the serial requirements have been filled for the end item, and the number of serial components that still need to be assigned to this item. Select an end item to which to assign material. A list of all serial components needed for the end item is displayed. This information is displayed for each component: the item number, the item description, whether the component is still needed or the requirement has been filled, the quantity needed, and the quantity assigned. Select a component to which to assign serialized material. A list of assigned and needed components is displayed for the ranked inventory location. If you would like to use a different inventory location, you may click on the back button and select your preferred location ID. Factory Track displays a refreshed list of serial numbers for the component item at that location. To assign/issue a serialized component to the end item, double-click on the serial number you wish to be assigned. The component is assigned and issued to the item and marked with the label "Just Updated." This action also updates the serial status and job material accumulated values in CSI. Click on the red X button to unassign the component from the end item. To return to the components list, select the Back button. Use the subsequent Back button to bring control to the end items list and then to the jobs. The jobs link can be clicked at any time to go back to the jobs list directly. The component list will now reflect the filled status. Continue to update the components. Once all components are assigned, the end items will also reflect the filled status.